my papa is going for ChatGPT Pro. What? Did anybody else parents are using ChatGPT or something like this? I think my parents never touched that. Nine, my mama, your mama is using ChatGPT? Yeah, also Pro. My parents also use ChatGPT, for real? My mom and dad are using both. My parents hate ChatGPT. My dad uses AI but not ChatGPT. Yeah, I would say, I guess my dad is also using AI but not ChatGPT. And my mom and papa don't know ChatGPT even exists. Now my parents know, but for example my mother no, she doesn't use it at all. But I think she also doesn't need to, you know. ChatGPT cause brain rot for real. Yeah, I think the thing is really when you are at a point that you don't do anything on your own anymore. Like I think this is actually a problem that you don't trust yourself with like the work that you are doing, right? Like for example, how I applied for uni was I just did the stuff on my own. And I was thinking about, if I now would apply for uni, I would first ask maybe ChatGPT how to do that, even though it was not hard at all. But I can really see that this might be a problem that you don't trust yourself anymore. And you look AI, but I'm not. I guess this could be like that kids who grew up with that, they don't trust their own abilities anymore. They trust like ChatGPT more than themselves, something like this. I discovered AI last year. Yes, same. I would also say I didn't use it at all for my laws before that. Yeah, self-trust is diminished with AI, okay, but I think social media is more risky than ChatGPT. Yeah, but it's so hard to compare, no? Yeah, both has their risk. I have nothing against ChatGPT, to be honest, or like any other. Like I have the feeling it's like something is anyways evolving, We can only decide to either we adapt with it or not, because the people gonna use it, it's gonna spread anyways, so you have to find a way. So for some reason my brain then switch to, okay, it can't be too bad. You have to also find a way to have the positive with it. And the same goes for social media, Like I'm never a person who's like, damn, it's the devil. But it's a really that you have obviously the knowledge that there is some risk, TikTok is the risky thing. ChatGPT helps more with learning more than my lectures do. Yeah, for example, with French, I really have the feeling this really helps me a lot. Like I can ask so much stuff. Like for example, I also now have here, by the way, I have ChatGPT in white so you guys can see me better. I have ChatGPT constantly opening when it comes to studying French at the moment, Yeah, usually I would just Google it, but this goes quicker, no? I don't use it to learn academically stuff because AI is only reliable as its user. So I only use it to make my study plans, and like I'm the asshole scenario as well. Yeah, the thing is for law, I also didn't use it at all. But yeah, already told you guys there, I don't know, ChatGPT was, not advanced enough for I had to learn everything by heart. It didn't bring me anything, But it's better to take advantage of technology for studies, 100%. This is what I say. Like social media, AI, and all this stuff. Obviously, there are a lot of risky parts of it, but you just have to see, okay, it's gonna exist anyways. A lot of other people will use it, so I have to find a way to get the most positive out of it, But I was rethinking this example that I gave you with like when I applied for uni, I really would have appreciated the existence of ChatGPT, but then I was thinking, hey, it's actually not that hard to apply for stuff, So why should you ask someone for it the whole time, But it's obviously nice to have this double check, but yeah, like the self-trust maybe decreases, if you know what I mean. I use it, but always have the fear that it might be giving me wrong info. Yeah, true. This is also something I think, like if you get information, like your brain has to do like a double check on all those stuff, For example, when I'm also with French, I always, in my brain, it doesn't make sense with the laws that I learned in the French books. So then I can use it, but most of the time it actually does, Just imagine having to search many books to find an info, and now it only takes a few seconds. It's really helpful. Yeah, true. Like this is also something, when I was at the North Sea, I was discussing with a friend something about the Viking time, And then I was like, hey, damn, and which time does it actually was? And I was like, yeah, around this time. And our parents then really have to, in their childhood, they had to step to a library to get the information, and we can just Google. I think it makes time, like we actually make a lot of time because of that, but yeah, also I guess waste some other time on other stuff. Anyways.